Okay guys, today I'm gonna try to do a try not to laugh challenge, and so this is my second video on my channel, and I wish you guys enjoy and drop that bloody like button and subscribe if you're new here. Of course you're new because it's a new channel, and we'll just start it. And you guys try to not laugh with me, but there is no noise for some reason. There's no noise, zero noise. So yes, I'll just tell you if it's like a noise that came. I'll tell you. So that's just a dog barking. Oh, oh, I feel cold already. Oh my gosh. The baby's like, no, I don't like my sister. And the sister's like, who's this guy? That's just a headshot. 360 no scope. That's me. That's me. That's me exactly. Yes, that's me. Oh, that's me if I was a teacher. That does not look like me ever in a million years. And I know somebody took it off because that's really obvious. Oh, geez. Oh my gosh. That's how I used to do golf. That's like exactly how I do golf. Oh my gosh. That kid just got wrecked. When you prepare for weeks, but then he actually... Okay, whatever. Yes, that's me. I cannot, Oh, I actually do suck at football, but that kid is going to be a football player. Ooh. Baboom! Like invisible. Oh no. I don't like Halloween. It's just, that's me. Everybody goes ahead of me and I die. Oh, dang. Oh. You got a mail? Yay. Yeah, that's me when I lose at Fortnite Battle Royale. Oh my gosh, I love animals, but that's how they treat me. Oh my gosh, this kid. That's me, I don't like vegetables at all. I'm unhealthy. That kid just said he's gonna chop it in half, and I was like, oh no, no, I don't like, I'm not gonna look. And let's see what happened. Okay. That's me at the playground. I get scared of the slides all the time. Oh, did you just cough in front of her? That's just mean. Like, at least close your mouth. Okay, that was weird. Oh my gosh, the dog. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's kind of... Oh no. Don't tell me. Yes. Yes. Okay, that kid is kind of funny. Okay, that was on... This is on purpose, obviously. Like, that was on purpose. I liked to do that. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Use your food. Okay, that's not a good idea. No way. Ouch. What is... Oh my gosh. Um... That's how, wait, when you try to look cool. Oh, that's KO. Dang. Oh my gosh, another KO. People are just John Cena-ing each other up. And this kid's like, what? There's fireworks? Oh my gosh, just read the top. When you can't stand up and you can't go like to somewhere else. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez. Oh no. The last third person. Oh my gosh. The last person. I bet he's gonna break it. He's heavy. Or he's just gonna get KO'd by. Oh no. Oh. That's me all the time. And that's how my friends bully me. She's gonna become a professional. You're just bullying that kid when dad thinks he's funny. Oh my gosh. Oh, poor kid. Poor kid trying to get water. Oh my gosh, they scared him. They scared him. He was asleep at school. I don't think so. That's how you're supposed to do it. Yes. And she just don't see not that other person. Oh, that's me. That's me. Oh, that's me. That's exactly me. Yes. She's caring. I don't like sharing either. Good job. You guys are learning from me. Sharing is not good. Nope, don't share. That's me when I like see my friends. Ugh, they look ugly. Or that's how they see me. I never have tried that. It's John Cena. Dun, 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 dun. Um, is it how old is this guy? 3? I'm 11 and I haven't done that. Oh, the baby comes to the cat and he's like, "No, you're dead. I'm gonna kill you." That kid's gonna be like frozen. I'm sorry. I think I'm laughing. Ouch. What's going on? Wait, what? Ooh, that's headshot. Oh no, I know what happens on this one. I've seen this one. Oh no. Ooh. You should have never done that. Trying to look cool but fails. Oh my gosh. That's how much like things I needed to be safe. That's what I do all the time. I'm like, I gotta go botting. Oh my god. She says it's a bike and then it's not a bike. Oh my gosh. When it's a new year but still old you. That's me. I hide the phone. I go in my room. Oh. Oh my gosh, this kid is so excited. It's like, oh my gosh. She's saying I like everything. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, she just farted. Dang it. Yeah. Okay. I guess he doesn't like you that. How does that even happen? I have questions. That's me trying to make a squish from 3-pointer. Oh my gosh, this kid. He's like, I'm okay. That's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. It's John Cena. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just joking. We all got that one friend who can't hang. It's like each of them are. Ooh, ooh. That's that. Oh my gosh, that kid is just getting bullied by air. And she's like, I know the secret. Oh yeah, I'm trying to look cool. Oh dang, I just headshot myself. When the city needs a hero, but light in your resume. Our hero just broke the lamp. Yay! That's me trying to play football. Yay! That kid tried to look. Oh my gosh, the puppy just had a heart attack. Oh dang! How did you? Okay, I'm just gonna get bullied. Oh my gosh, that kid. That kid's like, what happened? Ooh, that's a headshot. You just got killed by a kid. Yeet. Yeet. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I know this is gonna be bad. Yes. Yes, I told you it's gonna be bad. Bye bye. At the same time says bye bye. Oh. Oof. Oh my gosh, I did not know that. But I do poop me. Oh! I poop in my pants. That's me when I get mad. They're just thinking a happy birthday to him. Did he just eat? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. K.O. Ooh! Ooh! That's so cool. That kid trying to... Nope. I'm a caterpillar. Oh. As I play soccer, I use my whole body to defend the ball, but I get hurt. You go up, you go down. This is the roller coaster. Oh! Roller coaster. Yeet. Oh my gosh. Oh no. That's gonna. That's just LeBron Jamesing. That's just. This kid is just singing and then yay. Oh jeez. That is not a good idea. The old man just crushed everybody in the face. Oh, damn! The poor kid in the middle. What? What do I do? When they say I'm not hungry, but then the food shows up. He wants a sandwich too. That's all my life. That's my life. Oh my gosh. What are they? Okay, I think yes, the dad for it. The dad for it. It's so bad. LeBron headshot. Like I said, headshot. Oh, that's me running from my grandma. That's me always. Yeah. Ooh, she was just too tight. Oh, that's me hiding snacks. Oh no, that is basically me. I steal snacks, hide them. Starbucks, I love Starbucks. This kid. Oh my gosh. That pet is saying bye, another guy's saying bye. I want to be a good person. Oh my gosh, running away. What's so funny about that? Okay guys, I'm gonna end this right now here. I wish you guys enjoyed. If you did, belt that bloody like button. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye! Yay, bye.